Well, this week in Arkansas history, we turn our attention to 1981. Frank White was governor of Arkansas. The Little Rock Republican had upset Governor Bill Clinton, who had only served one two-year term. On this week in 1981, Governor White signed into law a bill requiring schools to give balanced treatment to creation science and evolution science. From his press conference signing the bill into law, here's Frank White.
Senate Bill 482, which mandates balanced treatment for creation science and evolution science, has been signed into law. As far as Governor White is concerned, the bill's basis is equality, not religion.
I look at it this way, that it is an equal treatment of creation science and evolution science. And my commitment to the members of the House that I talked to and to the senator was, if they got a substantial vote on it in the legislature, I would sign it, and that's what I did.
When asked what his beliefs were, the governor said, "I really don't have a commitment one way or another. I am a Christian," he said. "I believe in the Bible." Then another question. Doesn't belief in the Bible automatically suppose belief in divine creation?
There's no automatic anything. As a Christian, I believe in what the Bible says, but there's no biblical reference on the creation science as determined and the way it would be taught, be drawn up by the Department of Education. And the Department of Education would put the literature together for it to be taught on an equal theory treatment.
Just how the Education Department will implement the law, White says, is still unclear. He only had the bill on his desk for a day before signing it, he says, so he hasn't had time to meet with education officials. But he did say new textbooks would be unnecessary.
They can get supplemental material without reprinting the textbooks they're using now. The textbooks now teach evolution science. They can create additional material to teach creation science. It doesn't require new textbooks to do it. Nothing in the bill says they have to create new textbooks.
The scientific creationism theory will be implemented into school curricula in the fall of 1982. Governor White says it will be up to the State Department of Education to see that it's complied with. Leslie Doubleday at the State Capitol for News Scene 7.
Now, the bill required the biblical teachings in public schools drew a firestorm of criticism and national press attention. White later admitted he had not read the bill before signing it. Eventually, the state's Attorney General Steve Clark defended the law in court. It was struck down, and the state chose not to appeal the decision. White's attachment to the legislation earned him a place of distinction in editorial cartoon history. The legendary Arkansas Gazette cartoonist George Fisher depicted Governor White holding a half-eaten banana from that point on, a play on the theory of evolution. Now, that video is courtesy of the University of Arkansas's David and Barbara Pryor Center for Arkansas Oral and Visual History. Talk Business and Politics will be collaborating with the center to bring you more unique video, audio, and photos of events in Arkansas history in the weeks and months to come.